Hello everyone and welcome to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use filters and sort commands in databases on Notion. In Notion you can use filters and sorting within databases using commands. What you do is open the database and click the filter button on the top right corner. Select properties and criteria to filter the data. This is how to apply a filter. If you want to sort, click the sort button and choose how to sort your entries. You can sort it by date, by title, or by other properties. It's as simple as that. Now I'm going to give some additional tips for efficient command use. You can combine slash commands in one block to add multiple elements at once. For example, typing /to do /heading will first create a to-do list and then a heading in the same block. You also need to familiarize yourself with keyboard shortcuts to minimize mouse use and speed up your workflow. You can also create your own custom shortcuts in Notion for frequently used commands. In conclusion, mastering commands in Notion allows you to create and organize content more efficiently. By using the slash commands, keyboard shortcuts, and advanced features like templates, databases, and filters, you can significantly improve your productivity.